What's up, what's up? Welcome back. Gonna pull the motor and all the gearbox and everything out of X-ray, getting ready to go into PATSY. So let's get the day started. One complete LS1 engine swap for sale, 10K. Not really, but it's all out, ready to go. Here it is, VZ radiator, AU thermos, custom standard headers, Mackie-Lec wiring loom, tough mounts. Dogs Run Away rider, custom Mackie cross member, Mackie exhaust, Knox drive shaft, tail shaft, rebuild auto, XY steering column that you saw in the last video. So we're basically ready to rock and roll now. Giddy up. Alright. Had to pull all the stuff that I've just put in the other weekend. So XY pedal box, all the bracketry and stuff. So yeah, lay it all out for you and have a look at the complete package. All removed. Just need to pull the box out. Once I finish moving the ute out of the way. Pedal box, steering arm, it's all there. And they're saying stop. Oi! A little bit quiet, thanks. Next on the list, passenger seat back in to finally go for a drive, I reckon. We all set to cruise now, got the seats back in. Very nice. Well, you wouldn't read about it, ladies and gentlemen. It's on the other side of the fence. Let's do this. What's up, what's up? Wouldn't read about it, I'm driving the bloody XY. Up. It's been a while. Woo! God, this car makes me nervous driving. so deep and thumpy. Almost sounds like a tough car, not a shit LS. Oh, hope you enjoyed that little ride along. We'll go get Ruby Lou out. Might cruise back there. Oh well, another successful cruise in this beast. I swear, every time I drive it, it's like I'm having a massive exam or something, or about to drift, because I get absolute that nervous in my guts, go to the dunny like 20 times. Just getting home is just such a relief that I didn't get pulled over. It's another day out cruising. So 7 months, well overdue guys. So hope you enjoyed it. I wasn't too silly, gave it a few blips here and there. Try and keep to the limits, because I'm always on the limit.